It's time to open the trailer. We have had so many nice sunny days, and I'm gonna remove the tarp cover before it rains again. I don't want to store it away while it's wet. So it is a perfect time to take it off and pack it away for this season. This year I decided to fold everything on top of the roof. I'm going to try doing it like an accordion style. It probably seems very crazy to fold a tarp on top of a trailer. However, I can't just pull it right off of the roof because I have a lot of obstruction. I could damage something on top of the roof here, or I could rip my tarp. Last year was difficult. I actually removed it this way. And I folded it on the ground. While the ground is full of dirt, it was still a little bit wet. I actually had to let it dry before I could store it away. This is my best way to do it. I need to unbuckle the straps in the front. Unbuckle the straps in the back. And I actually have to crawl underneath the trailer to unbuckle the straps. And before I crawl underneath the trailer, I want to check and see if there's any animals living underneath. I don't want to come face to face with a skunk or a raccoon. The knee pads help. Since I'm going to be up on top of the trailer pulling up, I don't want anything to get snagged on the bottom. So I'm going to make it a little bit easier and just pull the tarp over. That way it's not going to get stuck on anything. And I'm going to get the ladder. For safety and stability, I temporarily cleared a spot on the roof to make sure that I had a solid footing when climbing up. Okay, it's folded up right in the middle. When I take it apart next year, I just pull it this way and then pull it that way, and it should open really nice. I'm going to go down now and make sure the panels are all lined flat. Everything is still up on top, but when you come down, there's the panels. So you have one folded, 2, 3, 4, and they're all folded on top of each other.